Hello everyone, my name is Elia, my pronouns are they, them, and I am a student leader here at Food Shelter Success. In this video, I'll be talking about tips you can use when packing for a move. Alternatively, these tips are good for organizing in general. Moving boxes can get really pricey the more boxes you have to buy, so before you purchasing some, try to use what you have on hand. Pack your suitcases. You can get away with packing a lot of heavy things in suitcases since their wheels make them easy to move. Use suitcases to pack things that aren't so easily transported in boxes, such as books and heavy dishes. Don't stack the dishes. Plates can easily stack, but don't place them on top of one another in the box. Instead, place them sideways, like records, to prevent additional weight on them. To protect glass cups, wine glasses, or any other breakable item, you can cover it with one of your clean socks. Pay attention to box weight. If you make them too heavy, they become difficult to move, and the objects inside are susceptible to breaking. On the other hand, if you don't fill the box completely, fragile items might bounce around and break. To avoid both of these problems, fill small boxes with heavy items like books, and fill large boxes with light items like towels and bedding. Another way is to fill the bottom half of the box with heavy items and the top half with light items. Put the sharp end of unsheathed knives inside pot holders and secure with a rubber band for safer transport. Pack clothes with minimal effort. If you need packing tips for moving in a hurry, there's an easy way to pack your closet quickly. While everything is still on its hanger, place the clothes in a garbage bag and tie it at the hook of the hanger. You can also pack your clothes in a large vacuum seal bag to save space. For clothes and drawers, you can roll them instead of folding them to save space. Use plastic wrap to keep utensils together in their organizer. There is plastic wrap specifically for moving, but you can use food plastic wrap for smaller things like the utensil drawer. Keep your cords organized with toilet paper rolls. And be sure to label them so you remember what they're for. Put your jewelry in egg cartons so that they don't tangle together. Be sure to tape them shut after everything is inside, and that way they do not fall out. Put tape and an X across mirrors to prevent them from breaking or shattering. Use binder clips as blade guards on your razors for safety and to avoid it cutting things while unpacking. Put a fitted sheet on both ends of your mattress before loading it into the moving truck to keep it clean. Stuff your shoes with small items to maximize space. And you can use dividers in wine boxes to keep those shoes organized. That is all the tips I have for this video. I hope this makes your moving process easier or helps you organize your room. Speaking of, when you're busy with a move or busy with life in general, it can sometimes be hard to have time and money to get groceries. Here at Food Shelter Success, we have resources for you to get free food, free grocery money, financial aid, and housing guidance and assistance. I encourage you to check out our resources at our website, basicneeds.sfsu.edu. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you all have a nice day.